Let me tell you a short story. When I was in school, if you break anything, there's this name we used to call you. Akpa, Arogun Omo. Now, many of you, they are destroying your cars, doing akpa things to your cars, but you don't know. Today, I'll be showing you 5 common mistakes that are destroying your car. Number 1 will be to ignore your warning lights. Many of you, you will see warning light on your dashboard, you will say forget. Shebi the car is still moving, nothing spoiled. You will see check engine light, you will not check it out. Many of you, you don't even know that your check engine light is supposed to go off. You just be driving like that. Those things are spoiling your car. Some of the lights that you need to pay attention to is your check engine light, your battery warning light, your oil light, your temperature, all of those things. You need to pay serious attention to it, because if you don't, body go tell you. I'll be making a video that will talk about the lights on your dashboard, the warning lights on your dashboard, and what they mean, and yes, how to take care of them. So yes, ignoring warning lights, my brother, my sister, once you see light on your dashboard, even if you don't know what it means, stop, Google it, see what it means, and see if it affects your car, and then please take it to the nearest mechanic to sort it out. If you don't know how to sort it out, if you don't know what it means, get a small OBD2 scanner that you can scan with your phone. Scan it and know what the problem is, so that when you get to your mechanic, you can just tell them that this is the code that I brought out, this is what I'll need you to fix. Number 2, skipping oil change. I don't know how long I have to say this. Many of you, they will ask you, when last did you service your car? You'll be like, service your car. Then the service motto, many of you don't even know when last you service. You're supposed to have a record of your service history, know when next your service is supposed to come up, know how many kilometers is left for you to service your car, and all of that. Because if you don't service your car, the engine oil will get worn out, and then it will not be able to lubricate your engine parts properly, and then you can start shaving off engine parts, causing your car to like smoke in the long run. Number 3 would be riding your brakes. Many of you are driving your car, and then you are stepping on your brake and you are stepping on your accelerator, or you are stepping on your brake small while your car is still moving. You want to just slow down a little before, so that you don't hit that car. No, don't do that. If you want to step on your brake, release it, step on your brake and release it. Don't step on your brake and hold it down while your car is still moving, because you step on it halfway. If you do that, you are going to be wearing out your brakes faster, you are going to be wearing out your brake drums and the entire braking system of your car. So do not ride your brakes, because those things are expensive to fix. Number 4 would be neglecting your tire pressure. It is popularly known that you should pump your car tire to like 40 psi. Why is it 40 psi? You don't know. The kind of tire you are using, is it 40 psi that is recommended? You don't know. For context, you should check the side of the door. There's a sticker that usually puts there. That sticker will tell you what kind of tire, the size of tire to buy, the size of rims you are riding, and the pressure you should pump your tire to. I mean, this is for those of you that your cars are still on stock wheels. So if your car is on stock wheel, you should check that to see what the ideal tire pressure is. What happens is, if you don't have the ideal tire pressure, if it is too high, you risk busting your tire on high speeds. If it is too low, your tires would not be balanced, and then you spend more fuel driving around. Number 5 would be revving a cold engine. Revving a cold engine is one of the worst things you can do to your car engine. So when you start your car in the morning, you're supposed to wait for the RPM to drop below 1, or wherever your RPM usually sits.
Imagine you're sleeping. Close your eyes. You're sleeping. Okay? You're sleeping. Are you sleeping? You relax. You're sleeping. Can I wake you up like this? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Go. You cannot go, right? How does it feel? Does not feel nice, yes? Same way when your car is sleeping, you start it, you let the car breathe. Let the car breathe. Let the car get warm up. You don't expect your car to be like, wake up and go fast. You don't. You be like, wake up, wakey, wake up, my car, wake up. Take a deep breath. Exhale, inhale, exhale, and now you walk. This is the problem with 90% of people.
Now, when you start your car in the morning and then you start and like you are spoiling your engine. Why? Because the engine is not warm, the oil is not warm, it hasn't circulated oil into the places that need oil and all of that. If you keep revving your engine that is cold, you are going to spoil your engine, and then in no time your engine will need ringing, it will start smoking, and it will start leaking oil. So until we meet again, please, I am begging you, don't be doing apart things to your car. Manage your car properly and continue being wheel wise. Until we meet again, cheers.